Hey y'all, this is Zoe and welcome back to my channel, and today is the day that we do our hot chocolate and dessert bar. Me and my mom are planning on getting this done today. So before we begin, I want to show y'all everything that we're using before we get started. So I'm using all of my Christmas mugs, and I have these glass Merry Christmas cups here. Some of these mugs aren't matches, but we're just going to use some of them, and we're going to put some of them up in the cabinet. I have these reindeer trays that my mom got. They're so cute, and we might use these for either the dessert bar or the Christmas candy bar. I have my hot chocolate, my candy cane spoons, and cinnamon sugar, cinnamon sticks, which are really good in hot chocolate, and crushed peppermint. And I'm going to use all of these syrups here for the holidays, and have some Christmas napkins. And we may use some of these micro lights depending on how much we need. I have my cabinet up here. I'm probably going to empty out all of the stuff in there for any extra holiday dishes or cups that I may have. Alright, so we just finished. We're probably going to work on this a little bit more and add a little bit more things at a time, a little at a time. But it looks a lot different because we cleared out everything. Then up here we put our extra mugs, glasses. We're gonna probably get some holiday teas to add to this little red glass thing we have here. Alright y'all, so that's the end of my video. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. And thanks for watching. We're probably going to add some more things to this. So if we do, I'll do another video on that. And stay tuned for our candy bar that we're going to do on this channel too. So I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.